Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. So I've been using Koka wallet for some time now, and honestly it has helped me a lot with my daily transactions. As someone who uses and holds crypto almost every day, one of the biggest problems is always having to move money from crypto exchange to my bank account before I can actually spend it. But with Koka wallet, I can use my crypto more directly. I can pay for things without going through all extra steps, which makes crypto feel more useful in real life. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how Koka wallet works, and I'm gonna show you what I like about Koka wallet. So without further ado guys, let's jump right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see, we're on Koka dashboard, koka.xyz, and right here it says up to 8% cashback and 50% of subscriptions. All right, subscriptions like ChatGPT, and we're going to talk about all that in this video. And let's not forget to mention that Koka is backed by Stellar and Fanfare. But the most important thing that you don't want to miss out is Koka visual card or physical card, because with Koka's Visa card rewards you with cashback on every purchase and more as you spend. You know what I mean? So you get up to 8% cashback as you use your Koka's Visa card, and that's really cool no matter where you are in the world. You know what I mean? And also you save a lot of money because you're gonna get up to 50% back on Netflix, Spotify, and more stuff like that. Let's just check right here on cashback and see where exactly you can get up to 50%. So as you can see, you can save a lot of money on subscriptions. Right here it says get 50% cashback on your favorite subscriptions like Netflix, ChatGPT, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and more like that. You know what I mean? Up to 50%. And these are all the benefits that you're gonna get by simply using Koka wallets and stuff like that. So if you're a big crypto holder, you already know that saving is actually one of the best thing you can do in crypto. So let's not forget to mention that Koka is non-custodial wallet, which means you are in full control of your funds. No government, not anyone else can just come and freeze your crypto and stuff like that. Right here it says your funds, your control. Powered by private, your assets stay protected at all times, even if you lose your device. Anonymous biometric recovery ensures your wallet is always accessible. So this is non-custodial wallet. You simply back up your seed phrase and stuff like that, and security is very tight. And of course, you also get up to 5% APY on your card balance. Right here it says and up to 5% APY on your spendable balance in real time, no lockups, no staking. So this 5% that you also earn by simply using Koka wallet on your card balance. So these are all the benefits that you get by simply using crypto card. That is way better than bank. You know what I mean? So of course, not only you save on subscriptions like ChatGPT, Shopify, and stuff like that, you also save on hotels. Right here it says access exclusive global hotel deals and save up to 50% off of your stay. Right here it says access exclusive global hotel deals and save up to 50% off for your stay. So I don't really believe you can get all these benefits from anywhere else other than Koka wallet right now, but the link is going to be in the description below as well. You can give it a try. You can get your card. You can save on subscriptions like ChatGPT and stuff like that, and of course also get 50% on your hotels and everything. So in this video, just wanted to introduce you guys to Koka wallet app and what it does and stuff like that. And if you want to get started, the link is going to be in the description below as well. You can simply download the app. You can simply download the app. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it on iStore, of course. And if you're using an Android, you can get it on Google Play. Once you download the app, the process is very simple. All you need is just to sign up and make sure that you get verified so that you can get your visual card or physical card and get up to 8% cashback by simply using Koka wallet. So once you download the app, you can simply click get started and then put your email right here. And once you sign up with your email, it's simple like that, and then you go to go. So it's just gonna spend some time to create your non-custodial wallet, of course, and your account. But other than that, you can simply explore your rewards, and of course you can get up to 20% per referral. So if you invite someone, you get up to 20%, of course. And right now our banking is ready to use. As you can see right here, it said self-controlled Euro and USD accounts are created. All right, so this is my wallet and right now it's ready to use. But of course, one thing that you need to do is verification. All right, so for you to start using the visual card and stuff like that and enable all other benefits, of course you need to add products right here. So right here it says unlock free bank accounts and Visa card and get rewards. You get up to 8% cashback on on your purchases, and of course 50% back on subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, and stuff like that, and of course up to 65% discounts on hotel bookings with Koka travel. So all you need to do is just to get verified right here by completing your KYC, and you can use your passports, your ID, and whatsoever, anything, right? And once you get verified, you're gonna be able to use all those benefits. So right here, I've got your crypto wallet. Right now, you can simply deposit and receive crypto, and you can be able to use your non-custodial wallet right here. And remember that you are in full control of your funds. All right. And of course, right here, you still have your rewards and stuff like that. You can see how many people you have referred to. And of course, you can also see your APY and stuff like that right here. So it's very, very simple to use. And I really highly recommend you guys to give it a try. And let me know what you think in the description below as well about Koka Wallet. And if you want me to make more videos about Koka Wallet, showing you how I'm using it and how I'm spending my crypto and stuff like that, let me know in the description below as well. So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur, and therefore, guys, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys, and cheers, guys.